2023 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 51,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, running boards and/or side steps, power driver seat. Take home the car of your dreams today.